are my favorites. Whether to eat or to put on my face, they are my absolute favorites. One of them is the watermelon. Full of vitamins such as vitamin A, B6 and C, watermelon is also packed with amino acids, all combining to contribute towards a healthy skin. It is rare to find fruits having so many skin benefits. As you all know the importance of using ice cubes for reducing your pores. Whether you have oily or dry or normal skin, everybody suffers from open pores. Some have small pores, some have them in large. Ice cubes are one of the easiest way to get rid of them. In this video, we will see how to make watermelon ice cubes in order to reduce the pores. You will need a watermelon slice, a glass of wine and a mixer. Cut the watermelon into slices and put it into the mixer. Add half a glass of wine to it. This is not red wine, this is the normal grape wine. Grind it well. Filter the juice. Pour it in an ice mold. I am using the silicone mold to get fun shapes. It looks messy right now, trust me it will look better in the next 2 hours. After 2 hours, take the molds out. Take an ice cube and rub it onto your face for 3 minutes. Wine is packed with antioxidants that helps to restore the collagen. It gives a boost to the sagging skin, reducing fine lines and wrinkles. Wine contains polyphenols that brightens the dull skin and gives a natural glow. It also prevents acne and future breakouts. Using these watermelon ice cubes after washing your face will not only prevent you from aging and will also reduce the large open pores. It also makes the skin soft, smooth and supple. Thank you. Do subscribe to Beauty Made Easy for more such videos. Thanks for watching.